Alright, let's look at the homework 7.2, problem number 2. Alright, let's evaluate this definite integral. Alright, so it looks like we have sine squared and cosine squared. We can use the trig identity here. So this is going to be equal to, right? So first, 3 is just a constant. So I'm going to just place it in front of the integral. So that's going to be 3. Right, and we have an integral from 0 to pi over 2. Alright, so sine squared is 1/2 times 1 minus cosine of 2x. Alright, and the cosine squared is 1/2 times quantity 1 plus cosine of 2x. Alright, and I guess dx here. Alright, so we have a constant here. 1/2 here, 1/2 there, combined 1/4, and we can place it outside. So I'm going to do that. So it's going to be 3 over 4 outside. Then we have an integral from 0 to pi over 2 still. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and multiply out. This is a minus b times a plus b form. So it's going to be 1 squared, which is going to be 1, minus, you have another cosine squared 2x. Alright, so we have that dx. Right. Then interesting thing is since it's a 1 minus cosine squared, and that's going to be sine squared, right? So this guy right here is actually sine squared of 2x, right? So when you have sine squared, right? So we can still write it as 1/2. So can I put it 1/2 in front? So you have 3/4 already. So combined with 1/2, so it's going to be 3/8, right? And then you're going from 0 to pi over 2. Then you're going to have 1 minus, right, cosine squared of, oh, actually not square, sorry, cosine of twice as that, so it's going to be now 4x dx. Right? Then we can just evaluate to find the antiderivative here. So antiderivative 1 is x. Antiderivative of negative cosine is negative sine of 4x divided by 4. And then you're going from 0 to pi over 2. Alright, then you have 3/8 in front. Then if you plug in pi over 2, so it's going to be pi over 2 here. And minus, alright, so this is going to be, alright, pi over 2 times 4, so it's 2 pi. Sine of 2 pi is actually 0. Alright, minus, if you plug in 0, it's 0, sine of 0 is 0, so it's all that. So can I just erase this? So I'm going to erase this, and you actually end up getting just pi over 2. Alright, so if you multiply this out, so you're going to get 3 pi over 16. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so we got 3 pi over 16 is the answer we got. So submit for testing. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.